Hello everyone, welcome to WHSE YouTube channel. Today we will be demonstrating how to make two slings. We will demonstrate how to make an arm sling and then also how to make an elevation sling. This here is the triangular bandage. So a triangular bandage has got different sides with. Here is the apex, here are the sides, here is the base, and these are the ends. So a triangular bandage is being used in different types of injuries. If a person has got an arm injury, a hand injury, a forearm injury, and then also a dislocation if possible, and then also for rib injuries. So we need to apply a sling. What I will be demonstrating here is an arm sling. So when you make an arm sling, this looks like an arrow. The pointy part always goes to the side of the injury. So when you apply a sling into a casualty has to always support the arm. So this is the end. That's the one that goes beyond the arm, below the arm. Then after that, this one here goes to the other side. Then you make a knot at the back. Then after the knot, you make sure that the arm of a casualty is always inside the sling. Then at the back here, if you have a safety pin, you can tuck it in with a safety pin here. Or if you don't have a safety pin, you can make a knot. And then after tying it, you can tuck it in just to make sure the hand doesn't slide out. So always make sure that the hand is always in and the hand can, the fingers can show so that you can check for nail bed test. So the nail bed test, you squeeze for 2 seconds, it goes back to white. After 2 seconds to the original color. So this means the circulation is always moving on. So you don't have to restrict the circulation to the fingers. So this is how we make an arm sling. What I will be demonstrating here is an elevation sling. So the elevation sling is when a casualty have injuries on the hand. So we have to make sure that the circulation doesn't actually go to the side where the casualty has an injury. So elevation sling, the casualty has to always elevate the hand. So the pointy part always goes to the side of the injury. So you put the sling over the casualty. Then after that, you make a knot at the back. Then after the knot, make sure the casualty's arm is always inside the sling. So here, you're gonna make a tuck in so that the hand doesn't always slide out. Then after that, you tuck the knot in. Then in a normal circumstances, this will be a total elevation sling. So this is how to make an elevation sling.